Namaste friends, my name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn Ustrasana or Camel Pose. Friends, Camel Pose is a backward bend chest opening asana, and that is why it is very good for this area, especially the chest region, the Untitled Chapter. Anatomically, if you see, the ankle, the thighs, the groin, the chest, the belly, the shoulders, the neck gets affected. Also the whole of the spine. If you see who can do this asana, it's in between a beginner and intermediate, both can practice. Especially the beginners, they can increase their backward bends by doing Bhujangasana and all that, so that they can slowly come to Ustrasana easily. This asana is very good for people who have anxiety or who is suffering from asthma. It has great benefits. Also, it is very good for the back, making the back strong. Friends, if you see this asana is also very good for menstrual disorder. Friends, a lot of time the energy level inside the body drops. There is fatigue. So this asana is good to increase the energy and remove the fatigue also. If you see this asana, it stretches the front of the body. So it is very good for the ankle, for the quads, for the groin, and the deep hip flexors, the psoas muscles which are there. It helps to make them stronger and also stretches them. It also stretches the chest, the abdomen area, the shoulder area. It also strengthens the abdomen wall, friends, the core muscle. If you see, it makes the back muscles very strong. This particular asana is very good to strengthen the back muscle. Now, friends, those who have high blood pressure or low blood pressure, they should avoid this. Those who have insomnia, they should also avoid this. And those who have serious back condition, serious neck condition, lower back condition, they will also avoid this. It is also said that when you have migraine, don't practice this. Now let's see how to perform the asana. So first you will have to come on your fours. And after that, you can sit in Vajrasana. After sitting in Vajrasana, you have to come to standing on the knees or kneeling on the knees. Now, few people find that when they stand on the knees, there is strain in the knee. So for that, what you can do is, you can roll the mat and stand on the knees so that it becomes like a cushion for you. Now, if you find still there is strain, you can roll the mat further. But if the strain still increases, then it is better not to practice this. After standing on the knee, now those who are beginners, they will find difficult to reach behind, as is a backward bend asana. So what they can do is, they can keep the toes in. Now, very important is to keep the hand at the lower back, at the sacrum area, and make the pelvis neutral. Don't let the buttock fall behind. A lot of people fall behind and they try to reach. No, it's better to keep the pelvic neutral and also to lengthen the spine. When you go for a backward bend, friends, don't bend just like this. It is very important first to increase and create the space in the lower back by lengthening yourself. As you lengthen from the lower back, then you drop from the upper and the middle back, from the shoulders and from the chest, from the middle back, the dorsal area. So lengthening the back and then falling slowly behind. This is what you can practice initially. As you fall behind, let the chest open by pushing the shoulders a little behind. So just watch. Lengthening the back and dropping slowly. If you are comfortable, then only drop your head. A lot of people, they will find strain in the neck when they drop the head completely. So it's better to keep the neck also tall at that point of time. Lengthen the lower back and just drop from the upper back and hold here. One mistake which can happen is people start pushing this too much forward. When you push this too much forward, the arch in the lower back increases further, which can actually strain the back. So let this area remain vertical. Don't push this too forward. Maybe later on you can push gently after reaching to the final position so that you can stretch the hip flexors nicely and also the psoas. So lengthening the back, elbows little in, drop your head, chest, shoulder, remain here, breathe. And then slowly come back. You can hold this position for about 1 or 2 breaths and then come back. Maybe you can repeat this 2 or 3 times. Now we will try to use the hands. We'll bring the hands to the heel. We are lifting the toes up, keeping the toes on the ground, turning the toes towards us so that we get room, so that heels are higher and it's easy to reach out to the heel. But when we reach out to the heel, don't let this area get compromised, especially the abdomen and the lower back. Keeping the pelvis neutral is very important, friends. So first is what we can do is we can keep the hands at the back, lengthening the back, dropping from the upper back and then slowly reaching to the heel. Roll the shoulders behind, open the chest and keep breathing here. If comfortable, drop the head. If not, keep the head tall. That is also fine. Keep breathing here for a while and then slowly keep your hand at the lower back and come slowly up. A lot of people, they come suddenly up, releasing the hand, both the hands suddenly. This can create some strain in the lower back. So just watch when you are in the final position, don't come up suddenly unless you have a nice core. So when you come up, just come up with supporting the lower back and then coming up tall and nice. Now friends, those who can reach to the heel, what they can do is they can challenge themselves by bringing the hands further down. So previously what we did was we kept the toes in, tucking in. Now we flatten the feet and then we will try. If you find that when you are holding this like this and there is strain on the ankle, you can roll a nice small napkin and keep it beneath the ankle so that the strain on the ankle is less. Keeping the hands at the lower back, making the lower back long, feeling the spine long, head is long. Now roll from the upper back, slowly, gently and then reach out to the heel. After reaching out to the heel, just open the shoulders, the chest, pushing the buttock just a little forward. Keep breathing. Then when you want to come, support the back and come slowly. Friends, final position is not important for us, but how to reach also to the final position plays a very crucial role. We don't want to compromise, strain some muscles and then go to the final position where the impact of the whole asana is lost. It is better to do less but good to do correctly. Dear friends, if you like my video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get updates of new videos also. If you have any feedback, any suggestions, write to us. Those are very valuable for us. If you want us to cover any particular subject related to yoga, also write to us. We will try to cover that in the near future. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Namaste.